Hey everybody, Curry here from Bab Speed Warehouse. Well, we decided to do a part 4 on the apps that does the gemstone identification, and we're going to change things up. We're going to change out the cubic zirconia, and we're going to change out the diamond, remove those. I think those are really not fair for an app like that. And we're going to put some other minerals on it because a lot of these apps are designed to identify minerals, gemological formations, that kind of thing. So I'm going to try to do on this one, just take out the diamond and the CZ and add a couple minerals, and we'll see how they do with that. So this is going to be part 4 with the new app, and we'll see how it goes. All right, let's do our first stone. Let's get it in focus there. Coral. I don't know, does this look like coral to anybody? Does it look like coral? Nope, doesn't look like coral. Alright, next stone is labradorite. That's a good picture of it. Pyrite. Nope. Not close. Not close. We're going to go through all the stones this time. So the next one, we'll give it a try. This is fossil stone. And jasper. I don't think so. Alright, let's give it an easy one. Give it an easy one because right now we're 0 for 3. Alright. Everybody knows that's tiger eye. Black onyx. Okay. Here's another one that everybody should know about. This is what's called Septeria nodule. It's got a real distinctive pattern, you can see. And jasper. Okay. And another one we're going to do, this is pyrite. This is a pretty obvious one also. Yeah, that's a pretty good picture of the pyrite there. Pyrite, got one. Got one. Alright, so the first 6, it got one of them. Let's go on to the second 6. This is another stone that's pretty easy to tell. This is rhodochrosite. And moonstone, nope. Nope. Another easy one, this is dendritic agate. Whoops. Let's go and do that. Dendritic agate. Pyrite. I think this thing likes pyrite. Another no. And this one coming up, this is one of my favorites. This is a fairly expensive stone. It's called cerussite. I'll get that out of there. I'm not going to show it the tag. Alright. What do y'all think, people? You think it'll get cerussite? It's quite distinctive cerussite. Rudolite quartz. Not even close. Alright. How about boulder opal? You all know what boulder opal looks like. Boulder opals are pretty easy stone to tell. Very distinctive. Jasper. Check out that. Look at that star going on. That's sunstone with the star. And let's take a picture of it. Quartzite. No. Okay, another real easy one. Malachite azurite. Excuse me. No, it's right. It's ruby zoisite. I don't know why I said malachite azurite. Strike that out of there. Ruby zoisite. It got the ruby zoisite. So what is that, 2? This one it won't get. This is coconut palm fossilized coconut palm. Pyrite again. It just loves that pyrite. And this one's Amazonite. You don't know what Amazonite looks like. There. That's a great example of Amazonite. Coral. Does this look anything like coral? I don't think so. Alright, we're going to give it another easy one. This is lapis. Alright. Chalcedony blue. No, it's lapis. It's pretty obvious lapis. And it did come up something as rutilated quartz, but we're actually going to give it tourmalated quartz to go and see if it can go and figure this one out. This is a super easy one. Quartz rutilated, close enough. Should say tourmalated, but I'm not going to argue with it, although I should. Okay, this is chrysocolla. This may be a little difficult, although it seems like everything is difficult for this app. Onyx green, no. And this is phantom quartz. Really cool stone. Moonstone. Alright, I'm going to go and tally up the score. It's going to be pretty abysmal, and I'll be right back with my thoughts and comments. Well, I hope that was fun for you. I'm not going to give it the rutilated quartz answer. I just can't do it. It was tourmalated quartz. It was obvious it was tourmalated quartz. It was black running through there. It was not that coppery orange color or some of the other rutilated colors. It was tourmalated. So this got 2 out of 12. And I made this one easier than the last one. The last one we had a diamond and a CZ. This one, I figured it seemed like the app was more mineral, geological oriented, so I didn't want to throw it off with a couple faceted stones. So I gave it 2 real easy ones at the end. The chrysocolla, obvious stone. Anybody in this business could tell what a chrysocolla is, or a phantom quartz. It got neither of them. And telling me an aquamarine is a coral is a fail, a huge fail. Don't rely on these apps. These apps are, as I have shown you, this is the 4th app. This is going to be the last one in the series because there's absolutely no point in wasting your time, wasting my time on these horrible apps. Remember, this is my opinion that they're horrible, but the proof is in the pudding. You saw the video. I did no editing or anything else to make it come out bad. I wanted these to come out good. I really, really wanted these to come out good, and well, it did not. If you like what we do around here, if you like viewing our videos, hit the subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate it. And I'm going to think of something interesting for next week. So the app is called Stone Identifier, Rock Scanner, Crystal Diamond Identifier, and it doesn't identify much at all. It did identify the pyrite and the ruby zoisite, and it almost got the tourmalated quartz, but I'm going to call that a no-go because it called it rutilated quartz. Well, subscribe, and we'll see you all next week.